Kia ora, aku tawera. In this video lesson, we're going to be talking about parallel lines, and in particular, when two parallel lines, which we know are lines that never crisscross, when two parallel lines are cut by a third line, that line is known as a transversal. Now, when a pair of parallel lines is crossed by a transversal, there are three different relationships between angles that you are going to want to know about. First one are called alternate interior angles. And it just says alternate here, but we're going to notice that they're always going to be in between the two parallel lines. So that is a good way to remember them as alternate interior. When we say alternate, we mean that one of the angles is on the left side of the transversal and the other angle is on the interior. And those angles will be the exact same size. They kind of make a Z shape. Okay, second one, corresponding angles. When we say corresponding, they correspond to the same side of the transversal. We notice here they're both on the right side, and they're also both below the parallel line. So those are corresponding angles. They make an F shape. And the last one, going back to the corresponding, those will be the exact same size. And the third type are co-interior. Once again, we see that they are between the parallel lines in the interior, but rather than being on alternate sides of the transversal, they're on the same side. So these are co-interior. And we can see that that one is definitely bigger than 90. And that one is smaller than 90. They're not the same size. They're going to add to 180 degrees. So what I'd like you to please do is copy these three into your notes along with the properties and the abbreviation. So if you have alternate angles, we know they're equal. That's one of the properties with parallel lines in a transversal. Alternate angles are the same size, and this is the abbreviation you should use. Alternate angles are equal when we have parallel lines. Middle one, the corresponding angles, they are also equal. The abbreviation, corresponding angles are equal when we have parallel lines. And our last one, co-interior angles are supplementary. And when we say supplementary, that means that the two angles add to 180 degrees. There's also complementary, which add to 90 degrees. So please get all of that into your notes. You'll then use that along with some examples here to have a look at. And we're going to try 18.07. So that's going to be some mahi puka for today. And I'm also going to post an IXL lesson to go along with that. Okay? Any patai, do send them my way. Thanks for watching. Maori mahi, maori ora, ka kite ano.